Adobe Creative Cloud Tutorials Course Platform Review. Still good? Links to the product are added in the description. Adobe Creative Cloud Tutorials is Adobe's official learning platform built to help users master its creative tools. And in 2026, it remains one of the most practical and relevant resources for designers, photographers, video editors, and digital creatives. The platform covers all major Adobe apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, InDesign, Lightroom, and more, with tutorials ranging from absolute beginner basics to advanced professional workflows. What makes Adobe's tutorials stand out is their direct alignment with real-world creative tasks. Lessons focus on how these tools are actually used in design studios, marketing teams, and content creation workflows, rather than abstract theory. The platform is designed for a wide audience: beginners learning creative software for the first time, students building foundational skills, professionals upgrading their workflows, and teams standardizing processes across creative departments. Tutorials are structured in short, focused modules that respect the learner's time and allow for fast progress without unnecessary filler. Many lessons are project-based, guiding users step by step through realistic tasks like photo retouching, logo design, video editing, motion graphics, and layout creation, which helps learners immediately apply what they've learned. Adobe Creative Cloud Tutorials also integrate seamlessly with the software itself, often linking learning directly inside the apps, making it easy to switch between instruction and practice. Content is frequently updated to reflect new features and interface changes, which is critical in a fast-evolving creative ecosystem. While the platform is naturally centered on Adobe tools and assumes access to Creative Cloud apps, it excels at helping users move from basic competence to professional-level efficiency. It may not replace in-depth academic design courses, but it is extremely effective for practical skill development and staying current. In summary, Adobe Creative Cloud Tutorials is still very good in 2026. Its official, up-to-date content, project-driven approach, and focus on real creative workflows make it an essential learning resource for anyone working with Adobe tools. Whether you're a beginner, a freelancer, or a professional creative, this platform delivers clear, actionable training that improves both speed and quality of work, making it a valuable companion to the Creative Cloud ecosystem.